Hey guys, would you like to make a portrait for yourself or for your loved one? It's probably gonna be the best gift ever, right? You need not be an artist to make one. All you need is to have two keys to unlock the door. First is to have patience to complete what you have started, and second is to have belief that whatever you are doing is really gonna come out. It's gonna come out really beautiful. Here I am with a series in YouTube to share the basic tips and tricks which I personally use to give my portrait a more realistic view. I hope it works out for you as well. So let's get started.
The most common mistake that we make is that we just try to give a shape, but we think that it is done. And here is where we go wrong. Giving a proper shape is just the first step. In order to make our eyes more realistic, we need to focus on shade. I am making this eye with the same shade, and this is completely wrong. In order to make a difference, we need to vary the amount of pressure on the pencils for the darkness and lightness. I just took a shading pencil and just see how by putting in more pressure, I am making it darker. You just have to use it while sketching. Just analyze the brightness and shade accordingly. So guys, would you like to make one such eye? Just get a pencil and a piece of paper and start it right away. So I'm just drawing an outline. We need to draw it very lightly, as light as possible. Do not get into the nitty-gritty right away. We will get into the details a little later. So I'm almost done with the shape. We will get into the details now. You know, this iris and pupil is my favorite part. You can really show your creativity out here if you are drawing a random sketch, because it's the most beautiful part of our eyes. So as you can see, I've flattened my pencil to shade the eyeball. Let's draw the eyelashes now. You can use a shading pencil, 6B or 8B HB pencils, whichever you are comfortable with, to shade few areas. You can see how the shading itself is making the difference, the entire difference. You can really play with your pencil. I mean, I just love doing this. Friends, you can just adjust the playback speed from the settings if you are drawing it with me right now. With a little more practice, we can really improve. For the time being, I'm just focusing on the eyes. We will draw lips and nose in the next video. We are almost done. Here it is. Thanks for watching the video.